Hi. Um, I'm glad you're here today. Um, we're gonna do an unboxing, but before we get started, this little guy that I'm looking at down here, you'll see in a second. I ordered him back in January, mid-January. It was like, hey, we'll ship it at the end of January. End of January comes. Where's my package? Oh, it's okay. Sorry, dude. We had to push it back to March 6th to be exact. March 6th rolls around. Hey, bud. We kind of got to push it back again. It's going to be April 6th. I hope you don't mind. I do mind. But, I paid for it. Sure, I'll wait. Why not? April 6th comes around, and the site just says, coming soon. Coming soon. What does that even mean? No one knows. You go to DJI to find answers. Nothing. You search Reddit for answers. Nothing. I was just like, no one's gonna get this. And the only people on YouTube with this mic were sent for promotional usage. So what do? I almost canceled it, but hey, thank God I didn't. I ended up buying another mic, and that's what you're seeing me use right now. And then I came home today and found a package. But I'm going to use this mic because I paid for it. Yeah. I hope it sounds good, at least. But yeah, let's see. This little guy right here. I decided to keep it in the shipping package too, because I just want you guys to come along for the whole experience. So let's not waste any time. Let me find my knife and we'll get to it. Okay. All right, let's hop into this. Okay. This is not the sharpest knife. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay. That didn't take long. And boom. And there she is. Pretty small packaging, which is good. That means it'll fit in my bag. So what we got here, up to 250 meters of transmission range, dual channel recording, up to 14 hours of onboard memory, portable and compact. We got that. Wi compatibility and 15 hours of battery life. All right, let's open it up. Oh, there we go. Are they taking no, they're not. I thought they were taking a tab from Apple, where they have like the little pull tabs, but I think that's under. So take a little wrapper off. Get some of that cardboard off. And boom. All right, so here we go. Now we got the actual tab, and this cardboard has made your boy a little ashy, but it's all good. Okay, that was simple enough. Let's center this, and what's in the box? We got the charging case, the receiver, transmitter, carrying pouch, hot shoe adapter, windscreen. Okay, I wasn't sure about that. Let's see. You know what? Before we get to this, let's just set this right here for a second. What's in here? This is a little pouch. I actually like it. It's pretty cool. A little 3.5 millimeter adapter. A little windscreen, or the dead cat. In this case, this would be probably a mouse. Then a cat is too small. Is it two of them right here? No, it's just one. I don't see another one in here. Oh, yeah, we got another one. Pretty cool. All right, what else? Of course, we got some paperwork. We'll read that later, maybe. And another charging cable to add to the long stash that I already have. All right, cool. It is time. Let's take this out. Mr. Box, you can go away. And you know what? I can't take it anymore. Your boy needs some lotion. 1 second. Okay, so let's take this plastic off. It looks like I can just slide it out. That was simple enough. First thoughts, pretty hefty. It's not heavy, but it's definitely not light. It feels like, I don't know if you can hear that, but feels good. I will say that it is going to be a oil magnet. I just put some lotion on, and it's like, you can see it catching on here, but there she is. Actually looks really nice. See if I can bring it up a little closer for you. All right, let's open her up. But before we do, just looking around, we have charging port here on the back, and boom. Looks like it already has some juice to it. It is already turned on. Here we have our battery life indicator. First glance, everything looks good. This is super small. I am actually kind of afraid I might lose this. And so this would be, I guess, the receiver. Basically, you can mount this to your camera or your iPhone, and you can control everything about the mics from here. So that's actually really nice, and it's a big reason why I picked this one up rather than the Rhodes. And then, of course, here are the microphones. As you can see on the back, you can either clip them on you, or you can actually plug in like a lav mic, and that little part right there, that is going to be your actual mic if you decide to use it. And we got power buttons, which are cool too. And cool enough is you don't have to have this case to charge them. Looks like you can charge them individually as well, which I'm really happy about. Let's see if I'm going to put this in right. Nah. There we go. Looks pretty cool. I don't know. Let's see what audio sounds like. Let's see if I can hook these up to my... All right, we're back, and the audio is not coming from this microphone. It's just for dramatic effect. The audio's, boom, it's actually right down here. First impressions, this thing was super easy to set up. Literally took it, the transmitter out of the case. It was like, hey, what language do you speak? And I was like, English. Chose English, and as soon as I took one of these guys out of the case, immediately paired, and it was ready to use. I could change all the controls from the transmitter, so I don't have to like go back and forth to the person that it's on to turn it on, turn it off. I can do all of that from the transmitter, which is beautiful, especially if that person's, I don't know, across a river. But yeah, another thing I discovered while I was clipping this on is that this clip is actually kind of special. And first of all, let's just appreciate how small this is. Super small. You do have a power button here on the side as well, if you want to turn it off. And there's just on the other side, there's a record and looks like a pairing button. I'm not sure for sure on that pairing side, this clip, it's also magnetic. So if you got something that is metal, it'll pop right on, which is really cool because you can actually use both of these as a stereo pair. So I'm just thinking, for instance, if you had these set up kind of in a wide array and you had them mounted to something that they stuck on magnetically, you can create a pretty cool stereo pair of the two. But overall, I'm super excited about these. Can't wait to use them in the field and actually give you guys some BTS. I know people have been asking for it for months, but it took months to get these, so here we are. But yeah, if you enjoyed this unboxing and just my first impressions, please let me know. I was really excited to make this video. I was really excited to open these and see what they're about. But yeah, I look forward to letting you know how I feel about them in the future, and I guess until next time.